How to go live on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video we are going to be discussing whether or not we can go live on TikTok Lite, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, of course, you simply want to go and open up TikTok app. Then once you open the TikTok app, just come to your profile page. Now there is a specific criteria to be able to go live on TikTok, and that is that you need to have over 1000 followers. So if you don't have over 1000 followers, whether you're on TikTok or whether you're on TikTok Lite, you will not be able to go live on the TikTok application. So keeping that thing in mind, once you've crossed over 1000 followers on the TikTok Lite app, however, there is not a feature to go live, because even if you tap on the plus icon, you can see video, you can see photo, but you can see we don't have live. So basically, if you want to go live, you need to have over 1000 followers and you need to use the main TikTok application in order to do so. You'll not be able to do it with this TikTok Lite application because it has limited feature. It's called Lite for a reason. That is why it is not being able to go live. So keeping that thing in mind, hope this video answered your question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.